And
hurt me!
this guy, look at this guy, dude. Check it out.
What the fuck?
He's got that 5 o'clock shadow going on for him.
You guys are retarded.
Fucking
fuck you, Scott.
stuff.
Sleep.
The
You're
fucking
a little bitch. You're a little bitch.
the curves and the swerves and the burbs and the turbs.
Yeah, dude. I don't know who the fuck
Check it out.
Somebody punched Rachel and she's pissed.
Look at this guy. Mr. Hey, I'd like to get to know you. If you want me to punch you in the face or something, that could be a good start.
Yeah, just like that, yeah.
It's basically that, Ish. Check it out, it's going down here, and that's it, town. We're having a good time.
Hey, the giant.
Whoa! 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 That's all we need there.
She's the thing. Shoot. She's the thing from the Addams family.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at it. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! No way. Oh man. Oh, hey, where's someone's back? We got.
I'm not done yet, everybody.
You were in one section that entire time. Yo, for reals, dogs. Como se llama? 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 Como se llama?
We get
so
it.
unnecessary.
But it was so fun.
It was so what?